This video is an overview of my 10 favorite apps that I have been using on my employee website for the Hudson City School District. The most popular one that I've used so far is the Flex Editor app. I think I've used it on every single page so far. It's very similar to a Word document, very easy to use. I use it a lot of times just to give my page a header. Some of the other apps I'm using are the Photo Gallery app, the Announcement app, the Upcoming Events app, Embedded Code app, Calendar app, Book List app, Article app, Discussion app, and Link Library app. So let's go ahead and check some of those out on my page. So if I wanted to view my website page, you can see this is my welcome page, and this Welcome Eastwoods Explorers was created using the Flex Editor app. And as you can see, basically it's just like a Word document where you can just type whatever you want. You can change the size of the font, the style of the font, you can make it bold, any of the things that you would be able to do in a Word document. Right here we have the Photo Gallery app. Basically you upload the photos and then they will scroll through and show all of your pictures. On the right hand side I have the Upcoming Events app. You can connect this directly to your calendar and it will just give a basic list of the upcoming events that you have. On the left hand side, this is the Announcement app. My thought is I'm going to probably use this for like my newsletter where I will include any upcoming things that are happening. The nice thing about this app is that you can have it expire and come off of your page when those events are finished. And then on the right hand side, I use the Embed Code app to put my Eastwoods Explorers Twitter account. Just a note, you're going to have to go to your actual Twitter account or whatever account you're using and find the embed code there and then connect it to the Embed Code app on the school website. I also want to mention that the kids would never be able to see your tweets on a school computer. You would have to be logged in as a staff. However, they would be able to see those at home. I also wanted to share with you a few other apps that I have on other pages. The Calendar app is very similar to the calendar that we used on our past website. Basically, if you wanted to include a new event, you would double click on the space. You can put the event in a description. So that's very easy to use. In my Reader's Workshop, an app that I absolutely love is the Book List app, and you can see that I'm using it to share some of my favorite books. You can include a picture of the book, the title, author, and a small little description. I have mine lined up on the right hand side, which is a nice way to display those books. In my Writer's Workshop page, I'm using the Article app, and I wanted to share some of my students' work, and so on this one you can connect it to a document or an article, and then if you press on this, basically that student's poem will come up or whatever they wrote. My thought is that I would use that to share some of the students' work with other students so that maybe they can get ideas of what to write on their own pages. Another one I want to show you is the Link Library app. On my math page, I wanted the students to be able to find the video for Turtlehead Math, and so I'm using the Link Library app to do that. Basically, you give your link a name and then you include the URL for that link, and the students will be able to connect directly to that page.
The Turtlehead.
I also have on my inquiry page another app called the Discussion app. I'm still trying to explore this one, but as you can see, it has a title and then it has a small little narrative. For this case, I'm going to have the kids in their inquiry journals. They will be responding to the discussion post that I have put on my page. And so that's most of the apps that I have decided to use. Again, these are some of my favorites. There's lots of other apps that you can choose from. In order to go and find those apps, basically you would go to your page, you would manage your apps, add an app, and you have all of the different choices that you could choose from for on your pages. So those are some of my favorites. You can check out the other ones on this page, and good luck.